You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from them. Stay tuned. Puerperal, that's your British English pronunciation. Puerperal fever. In American English, the pronunciation is more as puerperal fever. Puerperal fever, American English, or puerperal fever. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.